Hello guys, today's project is I'm felling a tree at Grandma and Grandpa's house. I've got Grandpa's old saw that I've stolen, pretty much. It's mine now. He can't really use it, so I'm gonna use it. So I had it serviced. It runs, and I've been able to start it, which is progress. I've got the safety gear. I've got gas. I've got a steel chainsaw sharpener. I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna see if I can sharpen it up a little bit so that it cuts good. I've got a chainsaw tool. I bought one of those. Yeah, so that's today's project. You guys will get to see me cut down the tree. I'm also burning some boxes, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. I gotta figure out how to use this thing. I've used it once before. It's been a minute. Here's instructions inside. So the paper says I should mark the first one so I can see it when it comes around again, so I'm not doing double effort. The tooths are opposite sides. I got one half of them sharpened pretty good, I think. I'm trying to figure out. Is that what we're doing right here? Yeah, that's right, that's it. Okay, I got it. Alright, I think it's good. It's sharp. I think we're good to go. This is an old chainsaw. It's a 036. It was my grandfather's. I had it serviced, so the guy, well, I'm not sure he serviced, but he got it running, which is just important. So I'm gonna get it running. He told me that I should let it idle for a minute or two because the piston is a different type of metal than the block, I guess. So I should let it all get up to temperature before I really start giving it the beans. So I'm gonna get it warmed up. Start warming up right now. I'm gonna put on all the protective gear. Well, let me make sure it's full of gas. It's probably important. Good. It's got some. Bar oil. It needs more of that. Got that coming right up. Alright, bar oil's good. So, this is a gallon of gas. I got it. It's the premium kind. It's supposed to use stuff you're supposed to run in lawnmowers and chainsaws. Here's a bottle of 2-stroke oil. It's going to go in the gas. Fresh lubed container. Alright, it says mix. Not quite sure how to mix it, but I'm not sure how you're supposed to mix it. Let's see what happened. Looks decent. It's got fuel in it, and that fuel has some oil in it, so I'm gonna be able to mix it better when there's a little bit less fuel gas in the can. All right, full of fuel. Hey guys, again, the project is we're going to fell this tree. It's pretty tall. My goal is between those two trees. You can see them on video. Go that way. There's a house over here, and the deck. There's some live trees that my grandpa really cares about all around here. And there's a dog kennel over here we want to try and miss too. So I think that's the best bet. Nice baby girl, Rain. Alright. I meant to bring wedges, but I forgot. We're gonna make do with a crowbar and a hammer. Hey, go. Sit. Sit. Well, didn't go the direction I thought. I did it wrong, I think. But didn't hurt me, didn't hurt Rain, didn't hurt the saw, didn't hurt anything. Let me show you. So I hit this tree. It's mostly dead too. I wasn't planning on taking it out. I was gonna let it die fully. Grandpa loves his trees, so there's gonna be more cleanup involved than if I had dropped it in the woods right over there. Right over there. But yeah, there we go. Alright, I got started. I'm gonna go get the trailer in the truck, bring it over, load it up, and get it on the burn pile. It's been really wet. That was all the closer I could get the truck and trailer. So I'm gonna load it up with, start loading it up, and hopefully I can back it back out of where it is. But we'll see. All right, it's time for this stump to get taken out. Rain, go away. Go away. Thank you. All right, I'm told the best way to let a chainsaw cool is to let it idle for a little bit. So I'm gonna do that and keep cleaning up. Hopefully I can get my truck unstuck. I changed my mind, I'm gonna keep cutting over here. Now we're out of gas, I think. After I got the trailer loaded for the first load, I was feeling ambitious and decided I was going to take down this large limb of a tree that had fallen over a little further from the grandparents' house, and I got after it. Sorry there's no audio. I didn't realize that GoPro time lapse doesn't record audio along with it, which I'm a little bummed about. But After that, I took the loaded trailer over to the burn pile. You can see the logs from the previous day I unloaded that morning. I'm going to get a fire started and start piling all these branches and logs on top also. I then took the trailer back over to get it loaded up again with most of the rest of that first tree. I took the largest pieces that I wanted to cut in half one more time before I put them in the trailer and set them to the side. Then I'm going to make a few more trips to the burn pile with a couple more loads, and you'll get to see all of that. I believe I made at least one more trip with a trailer full of debris, but I decided you guys might want to watch the fire burn down instead. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you made it this far. Drop a comment. Tell me what I did wrong, what I should have done different.